All right, here goes. Again, Chapter 8. A 23-gram bullet is traveling at 230 meters per second. It penetrates a 2-kilogram block of wood and emerges cleanly out the other side. When it emerges, it is traveling at 170 meters per second. The block of wood was originally at rest and is sitting on a friction-free surface when it was hit. What is the velocity of the block of wood after impact? So, again, before and after. So here's what's going on. Beforehand, we have a block of wood. So we're going to have the mass of wood. The mass of the wood is 2 kilograms. It begins with a velocity of 0. We have a small projectile. The mass of the bullet is 23 grams, which is going to end up being 0.023 kilograms. And it is traveling at an original velocity. Velocity of the bullet begins at 230 meters per second towards the block of wood. Afterward, here is the situation. Afterward, the wooden mass, has some sort of a velocity. We do not know the velocity of the wood. It is sliding on a friction-free surface and it's moving in that direction, but we do know that the bullet has emerged from the block of wood, and the velocity of the bullet afterwards is going to be 170 meters per second. Our quest is to find the velocity of that block of wood afterwards. So, one more time with feeling, here we go. Mass of the bullet, velocity of the bullet, plus mass of the block of wood, velocity of the block of wood, equals mass of the bullet, velocity of the bullet, plus mass of the block of wood, velocity of the block of wood, and these are both after situations. Now, beforehand, the block of wood is not moving, so this is going to go to 0. These are not combined. Previous problems, those have been combined, so we're not going to combine those after velocities. We're going to leave them as is. Let's go ahead and throw some numbers in here. Mass of the bullet, 0.023 kilograms, times its original velocity, 230 meters per second, equals mass of the bullet is still 0.023 kilograms. Its velocity after is 170 meters per second, plus the mass of the block of wood is 2 kilograms. I'm going to ignore some zeros just to save some space, and we're looking for the velocity of the block of wood after. Let's go ahead and simplify this problem. 0.023 times 230, so this portion is going to end up being 5.29 kilograms times meters divided by seconds when I take all those units multiplied together. 0.023 times 170, this is going to be 3.91 kilogram meters per second, plus 2 kilograms times the velocity of the block of wood after. Now, in order to simplify this, I have got to get this alone. So to get this alone, I'm going to subtract 3.91 from both sides. I know I can do that because the units are the same. And so when I do that, I end up with 1.38 kilogram meters per second is going to equal to 2 kilograms times the velocity of the block of the wood after. To get that velocity alone, I'm going to divide both sides by 2 kilograms. Both sides 2 kilograms. So divide that by 2. The velocity of the block of wood after is going to be 0.690 if I keep everything to 3 sig figs. Meters per second, kilograms will cancel. I'll keep meters per second. And that will be the velocity of that block of wood after. All right, that will do for this one. We will see you later. Bye-bye.